Hey, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Blake, this is Rachel, and today we have a campsite review. Where are we at?
We are at Lincoln Trail State Park in central Illinois. This is the Plainview Campground. We are at number 17. We are here for a very special weekend because it is the Illinois Pop-Up Camper Rally. Woohoo! So check out our adventure. We'll let you know what we think of the campground and how everything went after this. All right, so obviously we had a great time. If you guys are in the area, totally check this out. There's honestly nothing very special about this campground. It's pretty standard, I'd say. Standard size sites, not necessarily wooded. Although, if you get one by the playground, there's kind of a little swoop where there's some sites that back up to the woods. There are lots of great little trails up in there, and I do mean little. Like the kids just ran around and found a balance beam with some knocked over logs and a tree stand, just the fun little things that keep them busy and excited about nature. So that was good, and there's a beautiful lake. We drove around the lake and did a little trail, lots of trails.
Several good hiking trails, a mile or two, a couple miles long.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
It's very
area.
hilly though, so they're moderate hiking.
Yeah, it is moderate.
Yeah, lots of fishing opportunity. They do have some boats and rentals for very reasonable prices. I think it's $20 for half a day for a rowboat or a whole day. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
I wish we were staying longer so we could get out on a boat.
Yeah, we pretty much just chilled with the rally people, had a church service this morning, and had a good time.
If you got a pop-up camper or a hybrid or just even a travel trailer, but at one time had a pop-up camper, or just want a new community to come camp with, we recommend to you the Illinois Pop-Up Campers. And they have a Facebook page, so check it out. And yeah, come and join us sometime. They do a spring and a fall rally, and sometimes they get together in the winter or a different time of the year. Great potluck, great crafts, and lots of family-friendly time together with making new friends and a group atmosphere. So if you're into making new friends and want a group camps once or twice a year, come on out and join us sometime.
Yes, and one cool thing about this place is that you saw in the pictures and videos that there's like a big bonfire area, and then they've got seating all around it. It's just first come, first serve. There's no way to reserve that. So if you guys are trying to plan something with a group, that is an excellent way to have a group. It's just a great kind of central area where everyone can gather. Highly recommend that as well.
Yep.
Good.
Great time. Drop us a comment. Let us know where you want us to come in the springtime. We're thinking somewhere west of Springfield. So if you got a good campsite somewhere in western Illinois, southern, northern, or just western, drop it in the comments and maybe we'll suggest it to the group.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, happy camping.
Happy camping.